Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maro. Now I will talk about my respect person. Everybody has a respect person,
Yes.
but they different each other. Anyway, my first respect people are my parents. It is a matter of course. I think other people too, because they endure hardship for me and they gave birth to me. So I am very thankful to my parents. Second, my teachers. My teachers helping me to improve my knowledge. So my brain has a good quality. Third, myself. I respect myself because I don't escape from trouble. I try again until I succeed. I never give up. So I'm proud of myself. Thank you.